Module 3, Topic C review. So first it says to make like units. That means to make equivalent fractions. So we've said to always rewrite vertically. So we're going to take our two numbers and rewrite them vertically, 2/5 and 3/4. We're going to look at them and see that what we want to do is to use 20 as our common denominator. And so then we figure out what's going on here, and we have 4 times 5. So 3 times 5, and up here is going to be 5 times 4, so 2 times 4. So we can fill in our numbers now. 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 5 is 15, and when we add these together, we end up with 23/20. What we have to notice in this is that our numerator, top number, bigger than our denominator, the bottom number. So we have to divide 23 divided by 20. Well, 20 goes into 23 one time. There's a remainder of 3 out of 20. So our answer is 1 3/20. Next problem, we're going to rewrite again vertically. 1/2 plus 1 3/4. We can't forget that whole number. So the very first thing that we do is we're going to carry over the whole number so that we didn't forget it. There's no whole number here, so there's nothing to carry over. I look at 2 and 4. Many of you tend to tell me that the common denominator is 8. It is a common denominator, but there is a smaller common denominator, and the smaller common denominator is 4. So I'm going to look again just like before. 2 times 2 for this one, and 4 times 1 gets me to that. So now we're going to go back and fill in our numerators, which is a 2. This one's a 3. And when we add them all up, we have to make sure we add this whole number as well. We end up with 1 5/4. Well, that's not going to work so well because we can't have an improper fraction, and right here is an improper fraction, so we don't want that improper fraction there. So what we're going to do is we're going to change 5/4 to 1 1/4. And we have this 1 that's out here, so we have to add that in. So 1 whole and 1 whole will give me 2 1/4. And that's the answer to the next question. So now we have 4/7 and 1/3. So we're going to rewrite vertically just like before. And we're going to make common denominators, and in this case it's 21. And we set up what we're going to multiply by. So 7 times 3 and 4 times 3. And then 3 times 7 and 1 times 7. So now we can fill in everything. And we have a 12 up here. I have a 7 here, and when we add them together, we get 19/21. And in order for the teacher to easily see my work, I'm going to circle what my final answer is every time. So now we're going to try the 2 on the bottom, which have to do more with mixed numbers. So we have 3 2/3 and 1 1/2. And just like before what I said, first thing we do is we bring over the whole numbers. And then we look to see what our new denominator will be. And our new denominator for 3 and 2 should be 6. That's the common denominator. There it is. And we have to ask ourselves, what are we multiplying by? We're multiplying by 2 here. And down here we'd be multiplying by 3. A little reminder for us. So I can fill it in. And this is 4. And then when we come over here, we have a 3. And when we add them together, we end up with 4 7/6. Just like before, when we said we can't leave this as 7/6, that's improper. We know 7/6 will make 1 1/6. And when we add that to the 4, it tells us that we have now 5 1/6. Next problem, we have 4 3/5 and 3 1/10. In the first step, we said, well, just like before, we bring over our whole number. Now we're going to look to see what our new denominator to be, and many of you would tell me either 50 or 20. Well, I see the 5 can turn into 10, so I'm just going to use the 10. That would be the smallest one that I can use. I know that 5 times 2 is 10, so we're going to do 3 times 2. And 10 times 1 is 10, so we're going to do 1 times 1 up there. And now I notice that we have a 6, and over here we have a 1. And when I add these two together, I end up with 7 and 7/10. Next, we're now doing the same thing where it says common units. This means the equivalent fractions, but this time we're going to subtract. So I'm going to make sure we pay attention that we're subtracting. So we have 6/8 minus 2/6. We have to make sure we remember to subtract. And the very first thing we're going to do is find common denominators. Many of you like to find 24. Sorry, many of you like to find 48. We're going to use 24 because it's smaller. I'm not going all the way up to 48. There's no reason to, because then I will have to simplify. So we know that this is going to be 8 times 3, so that will be 6 times 3. And this will be 6 times 4, so it will be 2 times 4. And we're going to fill in our numbers, and this gives us 18, and this gives us 8. And when we subtract these two numbers, we end up with 10/24. These are two even numbers, so I'm going to look at them and say, if they're two even numbers, I can divide them both by 2. And when I divide them both by 2, I end up with 5/12. And that would be my final answer. So now we're going to try the next one. We have 5 1/2 minus 2 1/3. Step number 1, just like before, is that we should bring over the whole numbers. And then look at the two fractions. And it looks like 6 would be a great denominator for these two. So we're going to look at what they're going to be. And this is 2 times 3, and so it's 1 times 3. And this is 3 times 2, so this is 1 times 2. And we're going to fill in our numerators. And we're going to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. And we have 3 1/6. So now we're going to try the next one. Over here we have 3 1/2 minus 1/3. So we're going to bring over the whole numbers. There's a 3 here. The other one doesn't have a whole number, so we don't have anything to bring over. And once again, we're going to see that it's 6. And this is times 3. And this is times 2. And when we do that, we're going to see that we end up with 3 3/6 minus 2/6. We have to make sure that we're very aware that it's subtraction. And we end up with 3 1/6. Next, we have 6 1/6 and 2 1/2. First thing we're going to do is carry over the whole number. And then we're going to find our common denominator, which some of you like to make 12. I don't have to go that high. I can use 6. In this case, this is going to be times 1, and this will be times 3, So then we're going to fill in our answer. We're going to end up with 1/6 and 3/6. And there's a problem. We can't subtract 1/6 minus 3/6. We can't just make it 2. So I'm going to borrow and make that a 5. Since our denominator is 6, we know that when we borrow 1, it's equal to 6/6. So we're going to add this 6 to the numerator. So the numerator is now a 7. So it's 7/6. So now I can subtract 5 minus 2 is 3, and 7 minus 3 is 4/6. I can't leave my answer like that though, because I can simplify. And when I simplify, I can, two even numbers, I can divide them by 2. So I bring my whole number over again, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And last, we have a word problem, so we're going to go through it. It says at the beginning of the barbecue, there was a container with 8 2/3 cups of ketchup. At the end of the barbecue, there was 2 4/6 cups of ketchup left. How many cups of ketchup were used during the barbecue? So we're going to start with the picture. And we have our barbecue. And the barbecue started with 8 2/3 cups. That's how much ketchup we have. And then at the end, there was 2 4/6 left. We don't know how much was used. We want to figure that out. There's our tape diagram picture. So what I'm going to do, this tells me that I take my whole and subtract one of the pieces to figure out my other piece. So we're going to do exactly as we've been doing before. We bring over our whole numbers. We find a common denominator. Many of you would want to go to 18 or to 12, but I see that I can turn it right into 6. That's already there. There's no reason to change it. So I look right up here. I'm going to do times 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And when we have 8 minus 2 is 6. And 4, 6 minus 4, 6 is 0. So the answer is just 6. So 6 cups were used. And that's the end of our review.